Here we are. Further setup here.
They'll see it.
Yeah, we got our tickets, yeah? All right, guys.
Let's go right up on the wagon. Charcoal chimney right there?
That looks awesome.
Smile and wave!
Chipper dipper. Deal. Hey, wait a minute now. They need a scooper. Better scoop. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Catching any fish? Well, hang in there. They'll start biting eventually. Catching any?
Nope. They just move around so much sometimes. It drives me crazy. Yeah, there's definitely some of that today, that's for sure. I've been out here before, you know, you see all those guys out there, same thing, and sometimes just they're there, you know, they just move sometimes so much.
I'm trying to keep my fish alive. Are they better if they're alive?
Yeah, usually.
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes they'll hit anything.
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
You too.
Make some room. These are perch, and this is a sunfish, right? Or a bluegill or a pumpkin seed, depending on what your how technical you want to be. But that's a little sun. These are big yellow perch, and that's exactly what we're fishing for. The first is we're going to take our pole or our line, and we're just going to put our bait in the water, and we're going to let line out. Okay, you see how the line's sinking? Okay, you see how it's going down? All right, everybody, tell me when it stops. Anybody? Anybody?
I think it's down.
I think it stopped. Okay. And when we ice fish, what we want to do is we want to pull our bait a little bit off the bottom. But first, we had a bobber. That's where we would put it. We would let the bobber go right to there. Okay? So our bait's just up off the bottom. And then we'll let it just sit for a little bit, and then we'll lift it up. We'll give it a couple little twitches. We'll let it sit back down. Lift it up, give it a couple twitches, sit back down. We don't want to go like this, but we also don't want to go, if you can help it, like this. Because that stinks. And if you look at our bait in the water, look in the water, see it? If we just let it sit like that, a fish may come look at it, chances are they won't bite it. If we twitch it just a little bit, see how it just looks like a little minnow jumping around or something little and live in the water? That's going to get you a lot more fish. So you're going to want to twitch it a little bit and then stop it. Scoop that ice out of that hole real quick. See the whole thing with these scoopers? You can catch minnows with them, or you can scoop the ice out and the ice comes, the water drains out, and then you throw the ice out. And that's how you keep your hole. Right? Okay, that's all you need to know. Go catch a fish. Thanks for hanging out.
About 11:45, lunchtime. Quite a line developing here to get it. Alex, lift the lid up. There we got boiling chili. Right here we have
Cream of broccoli.
Stir it up. Let's see what it looks like. Help me out here.
Cream of broccoli.
Cream of broccoli soup. Smile and hang. We have chicken noodle soup good.
Awesome.
Club members serving it.
Hot chocolate.
It's all good.
Spoons right there.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hey Ron, smile over here. There's our cook.
And you did a great job.
Yeah, you did.
Make sure you thank Lakeside Tackle, Bass Pro Shop, Jimmy's Tackle, Atkins Soups, Ron in there did all the cooking. He did, you know, there's a 4-H group here that donated a lot of chili. There's a lot of things going on, so please, if you see anybody that donated or done anything, thank them. There was a lot of work to put this together this year. And we set another record about kids that attended. We got over 425 at least, so we're probably up to 450, almost 475. So thank you again, and I hope everybody had a good time. And has everybody got their orange tickets ready? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start. So let's take these up. Yeah, it's just first come, first serve. Just pick what you want, and then as soon as you can, back off because we've got a lot of stuff to raffle off. Here, you got the first one. I'm just going to go to the last four. 7, 9, 5, 8. Oh, Tristan. All right. See what you want, Tristan. Okay, Dad. 77-21.
Whoa, you got 77-20. Oh, closer, buddy.
79-80. 78-17. 80-93.
Pick mine.
78-08. 77-37. 79-42.
This is the disassembly of our little party we had out here. Got to take the tents apart, and lots of good help here. This is really a great club because we got all this help. These guys come out and nobody gets any payment for any of this. They do it because they want to see kids